Okay, time to check out. Just check out. Move another hotel. Enjoy journey. Their journey. Going others. Okay. Later na lang. Okay guys, time for check out. Move to another hotel. In the Blue Plaza Hotel. Yeah. Last day here. In the Holiday Inn Express. So soon Levi. Is it Walter busy for booking for the Grab. Okay. Okay guys, we're going move to another hotels. It's a Blue Plaza.
At Radisson.
Okay. Yes, look what is nice or not?
What is this?
I don't know. The jump area. It's a real for the train, probably. Okay. Look at the car here is in the right side. Ours is in the left side. Okay, that is a real for the train. Okay, move for our journey in Thailand hotels. We've never been in the attractions here. soon, hopefully.
Went to the mall.
We've been in the mall, yeah. In Central Rama 9. Yeah, they have a Robinson. Robinson also. Mostly we're going to the food. Grocery. Yeah, in Thai.
That's okay.
You know the hotels here is very high. See that? I think it's level for floor is 21, I think, or
That may not even be it, but that's.
I think it's 25 like 30 or either. I don't know. I don't see the hundreds.
No, that may not be it. Hotel.
Usually here is.
We'll find that one.
Yeah. Look at their sky bridges. That's good.
Yeah, I don't like that.
The sky bridges high also. But that's good for the public walking. Safety for the public walking.
Not good for me. Yeah, we walk up all those stairs.
Yeah, you.
Oh, stairs.
I can do it. Okay. It's in the morning. Okay. Well, it's a nice day. Oh, it's look like a church. It's like who's that boxing man? We're just in the traffic lights.
Grab is calling us.
Arrival. We're here now. Okay, here. Okay, we're here with my husband. just arrived. This hotel. Okay. I hope it's nice. It's available. Gonna chicken. Gonna enter now.
He wants me to stay. I don't want to.
Okay. Okay, we're here. And Radisson. Yeah, my passport. Okay guys, very nice here. So nice. Their bar. Look at. Okay, it's a very nice place. High Inn. So very nice. My husband is there behind me for just chicken. Okay. Nice the bar here. We're going now to our room. Okay, together with this Indian people. Guests also here. The bellboy is only one. We carry our baggage, so no problem. So we are here now. In our room. Okay, light automatic, aircon automatic. Set. Wow. We got it. Look good. Look good, guys. Wow. I miss Bam Bam. Love Bam, so sorry. You will be here, supposed to be. Love you, baby. But next time we go to the Bangkok, you can go Disneyland. Enjoy your Disney. Wow, they have a swimming pool here. Guys. Wow, wonderful. The heights of the building. The views. Oh my gosh. Very good. Are you... Excuse me, guy. Sir. And the television is already. Oh, my husband give it to you?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Sorry.
Well, that's okay. 20 and 20 is not bad.
No, the security maybe the next time. That one.
Alright. Anything? So.
Wow, it's good. Huh?
Here, air conditioning.
How about the TV? It's already set
Air
up.
conditioning.
Yeah, air conditioning here. Make it slow or how many temperature you need? 24, 26.
Yeah, you like
Okay, 26.
Wow.
Okay, and also the TV, just one remote.
Just turn on and the remote control. Yeah, they will guide
This
you
is
to see the movie, to check the menu, to see the
For VIP.
what hotel VIP have
Wow,
in the
nice.
television.
I'll see if I can get you.
We can swim there, guys. Go.
You spend hours trying to get the TV to work.
Okay.
Because they don't just
Okay.
turn one remote, turn it
Yeah.
on and goes channel up and down.
No,
and
if you got some problem,
like
just
here.
call number 0.
I like the
One
view
customer.
here.
Yeah, they will let you know
Okay.
everything.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you, Ka. Goodbye.
Thank you too.
You know, if there's a place where you go where you can buy souvenirs, like T-shirts and purses and things like that.
T-shirt like Finite Make or like shopping mall or
No, not like shopping mall, like souvenirs.
souvenir for
Everything's
Back,
the
everything,
Thailand made craft.
make craft. I know the one in the gem factory. They have some Thai herb also. Thai herb. It's
Okay.
very good, and some wallet by Crocodile. Wallet by the
Bags.
bag. Yes.
Yeah.
In the from here about 20 minutes. If you like to go, I can.
Can you write it?
You don't say thank you on top of us saying thank you.
Okay. We are here. Nice. Dark.
7,000 per night.
Oh. Wow, this is a high-end hotels. I've been in
Well, it cost
Bangkok.
us 14,000, but that was with BAM.
Wow, 14? We included them? Wow. You know what, guys? My granddaughter is included here for the bills. Wow, 14 to 3 persons. But sad, we don't bring it because it's very strict. Our government in the Philippines, the DSWD doesn't. You cannot easily get the clearance for travel minor. What we gonna do? Oh, nice the tub here. Nice the tub. Oh, it's a very nice, just perfect place I wanted. Clean. Wow. Seems like a new hotel. Look at. Perfect. Wow. Wow. That's Bem Bem will be say wow. Bem Bem will say wow. Ay. I'm so pity my girl. I did not bring it. Look at here right now, the glass. The glass here open.
Last year.
Here in the bathroom. Like we have in the
Like in the other one,
other one. But you can cover it.
you could cover it.
Yeah, correct, right. So nice. Their cabinet here. Wow. Clean. The refrigerator hide it. Here. So this is, we need to pay.
That's you have to pay for. It's like a service bar.
Shanghai. You have a
You
beer.
gotta buy though because it's so expensive out there.
Oh, there are the coffee maker here. So what's about the coffee makers? The noodles. So there is a price here. Yeah, they have a price here.
You have
Oh,
to charge
this-
us for coffee. I don't care because we got our own coffee and there's our water right there.
Oh, this is our free stuff. This is ours. It's very small, the cup, the mug. They have a glass. So that one is not
We
free.
gotta get this safe one.
So they have a water to enjoy the water drinking. So that's what their water here. So they don't have a price here for water. So it's belong for us. So clean and oh, it's very good. I love it. So the TV, guys, I have a lot of hotels I've been already, guys. Our journey is a hotel. There we are. They have their cabinet closet and the safety box there. But my husband, I cannot show it because my husband I love their bathroom. Hopefully, if I have my house, I love this. I love this. Like this. Okay? I love this. Enclosure bathroom. So very good.
This is now set for 771.
Okay. 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 This is a sitting, loving seating place. You have a lamp. You can talk here. And this is the best. Fun. Enjoyment. Oh my God, my Bem Bem is not here. He loves a swimming pool. Oh, this is what we got just for her to having fun for swimming pool. Oh, Bem, this is what you wanted. Oh, like a Heights hotel views. Perfect place. Okay, gosh. My Bem Bem. I'm so crying. I don't know what is there. The cafe or the gym. I don't know. This is that relaxed place. Yeah. Oh gosh. I love my Bem Bem. What am I gonna do? Here are this is the closet for they have lights for just in case for emergency, the safety valve. So you have a closet there. Huh? 8. Yeah, they have the wardrobe. They have a hanger. So big. I like it. Oh, they have a brush. What is this? For shoe brush? I don't know what is that. For shoe brush. Okay. I don't know what ventilations. Oh yeah, ventilation for just in case trouble. That's it. A clean floor. Wow. Telephone sections area. So yeah.
608 or 808?
808. Okay. Okay. I'm still wearing my hat. Okay, beautiful place. Perfect. It's nice. Okay, guys.
Too bad to look at. Nobody's looking at it. I'll do it.
Hey guys.
Shake it up. That's a good idea.
I have a pizza left over last night. So we're gonna eat this for our lunch.
You shake that up. definitely, just downtown.
Downtown. I'll take a bus in the night.
There was a jacuzzi bath, I think, back then. Today, the jacuzzi.
Marina. You've been.